So what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and today we're doing a results video on mining some SHIBA. So I just wanted to clear this up before we got into the video. If you haven't watched the first video, I'll put the link down below. That's how to mine SHIBA through Unminable. But a lot of people are like, "Oh my God, why would you recommend mining it?" Guys, there's been a lot of coins that I've mined on here, and I didn't necessarily recommend it, but I didn't recommend it. You can mine whatever you want, ladies and gentlemen. I was mining it on one GPU, so I still had my entire farm on direct mining Ethereum, just for full disclosure, because a lot of people are like, "Oh my God, why would you put your full farm on that?" And I'm like, "Did you watch the video?" But that's just how it be sometimes. So I have been mining SHIBA through Unminable, basically mining Ethereum and then getting paid out in the SHIBA Inu token or coin for coming on 4 days now. And what's up, David Starbuck? Thank you for becoming a sponsor. It's been a member for 5 months. Anyway, so yeah, coming on 4 days now, and I'll show you what I've actually made on there. So let's cut over here, go to there. Oop, where are we at here? Here we at. So Unminable, let me get a fresh refresh on this. And we have done, I have 710,000 that were paid out today, and then I've done another 83,000. So let's break out the good old calculator. So that is 793,000. We'll just round that off. And SHIBA is currently, SHIBA price. SHIBA is currently, whatever this is, 0.00008424. So we'll do that times this. And in 4 days, my GTX 1060, that is not mining at full hash rate, mind you, has done $6.68 worth of SHIBA. So to clarify that up also, my card can only do about 16 mega hash. I can overclock it and get it up to 17, 18, but this is one of those water damage cards, and it'll just crash out and reset, and it goes back down to like 15, 15.9. So if we go over here and we type in 15.9 on what to mine with Ethereum, direct mining Ethereum, I would have made right at 99 cents a day. And for 4 days, roughly give or take, I would have made about $4, maybe, 420, just for all, you know how it be. But yeah, so I made, if I sold right now, what the price SHIBA is right now, I made a little bit more. I made like $2.68, which for a single GPU, that's pretty significant in just 4 days. I'm gonna leave this GPU mining SHIBA for the next, I don't know, foreseeable future. Maybe I'll give it another week or two. Maybe we'll go for a full month and see how that actually does, and we'll have a better average over a month. See if it was better if I would have left it on direct Ethereum or direct SHIBA, or sorry, not direct SHIBA. There's no, you can't mine SHIBA direct. It's not mineable, but or on payout through SHIBA. So there was a lot of people that were very, very against it. Guys, it, like always, this is not financial advice. You don't have to do what I'm doing. You don't have to, heck, you don't even have to listen to me. If you're here and you don't want to listen to me, I don't even know why you're here. But I'm just trying new things, having fun with it. And as the closer we get to a bear market, which we're not in right now, we're still making really good money on Ethereum and Raven Coin, Beam, other stuff like that. But the closer we get to that bear market, a little bit more speculative I become. And when we're in full-fledged bear market, that's when it's like, oh my gosh, let's stack up like all kinds of coins, in my opinion. That's what I did through the last one. It did me pretty well coming into this one. If only I would have held on to some of those other coins even longer. Monero and Litecoin being some of my big ones. ETC also. Man, we had a bunch of ETC through the bear market. Like, a lot. But it is what it is. Water under the bridge now. So I hope everybody's having a great day. Dang, I wrapped that up pretty quick. Let's see. We're only at 4 minutes and 44 seconds. So for everybody that just came to see my results on SHIBA, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And yeah, peace out. All right. Now, for all the OGs and the jellyfish in the in here watching, I just wanted to say we got an update from the old garage people. If you're not aware, I am in my kitchen currently. That's because my detached garage where I'm moving my office to and my mining location and everything has been delayed again. But he just called me back and it says materials locked in, no price hikes, no price changes. Because there for a while he was going to be like, oh man, I don't know if like the material price is going to change because it's going up. And I'm like, oh my God, please don't tell me that. I even kind of pulled the old homeowner card being like, hey, I put a deposit down. You guaranteed me this pricing. I need this pricing. So yeah, he made it right. He got it for the right price. They're throwing in some wall insulation. I talked to my dad about it, and it's probably the cheap rollout stuff, but it's for free. It's better than nothing. Yeah, I'll take it. That's kind of their thing that they're giving me because they're taking so long, and I guess they run into roadblocks and stuff. So it is the 16th of June. That means not next Wednesday, but or sorry, not next Monday, but the following Monday is when they're coming to install the building. So just two more weeks away, guys. And then it'll be time to start moving all the rigs out there, build me an office, build a server, cabinet, farm, whatever we got to do. But I have to get stuff back up and running because right now I'm only at I turned a couple more things on. I'm at 800 mega hash, but I still probably have 400 give or take mega hash turned off, and it's killing me. But I really don't have any room for it because where my office was, we have converted it into a nursery, and I probably nobody cares, but you know what? I'll show y'all a picture of it. If I can get it pulled up here. Hold on, I'm gonna leave my face on the screen just to make sure I don't show any compromising images. Well, if it'll load. Bear with me. Wow, my computer is acting so slow right now. Okay, so if anybody remembers my office, let me open these in a new tab. Open in a new tab. There we go. All right, now here I'll flip it over. So if anybody remembers my old office setup, this was where I used to stream and everything. So on this left side, that was where my desk was and my computer was over there. And on the right side, that's where I had the big shelf with all the like Pokemon cards and shoes and everything stuffed in there. And this room was like packed with junk. So we went in, pulled everything out. My wife actually got a carpet cleaner from the admins in the Discord. Thank you, admins. That was really cool of you. They sent that a while back for like a wedding present. So she carpet cleaned the floor because she said I was an absolute slob and the carpet was nasty. It do be like that sometimes. And then we painted this wall like I guess like a navy blue, and then painted all the other walls in the room like a light blue gray kind of thing. I don't know. I didn't want to paint anything, but she wanted to paint, so I painted. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's where my desk used to be. That's where the old shelf used to be, and it just blows me away how like this room, it doesn't even feel the same. You know what I mean? It feels like, dang, I'm gonna have a kid. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm an adult. You know what I mean? Like, I don't feel like an adult, you know? Oh well, we gonna make it happen though. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. 9 minutes, 32 seconds. We're definitely ending it before 10 minutes. Yeah. Later, guys. Peace.